AI agents can already pay for tools. That's not new anymore. How is XLM tools any different? Nobody has made this work with every MCP client out there. Mention them. Cloud Code, Cursor, Gemini, mention it. A CLI, and also making this a very easy plug and play for any AI agents out there. We built the best version of how AI agents can pay for tools, and it makes a big difference that it's on Stellar. How does this work? You install, you fund, then you use. You can pick the different options we have for installation. The one-line command code works for any MCP client of your choice. There's also the CLI or a skill file in which the agent can fetch and set it up itself. A prerequisite of those running on testnet is you have to make sure your wallet does have a testnet USDC. If you don't know what your wallet is, simply ask the agent. Or if you are using the CLI, you can just go on XLM wallet to get your wallet information. And of course, the wallet does appear the same on the local computer. And simply fund your wallet. You can visit two sections and check the various tools we have to offer, and trust us, more tools are coming soon. An example usage is search for latest tools about Stellar. You can see Cloud Core the search tools, and it came back with a transaction receipt of this, which you can also confirm on the transaction ID of this. Let's view this. You see that the transaction hash, the transaction amount settled on Stellar testnet. Every paid call gives you a receipt. And of course, this works on Cursor too, and every other MCP clients that we mentioned. Here it's where it gets interesting. This is OpenClaw. We made XLM2 configurable with OpenClaw. We published XLM tools on CloudHub, meaning anyone using OpenClaw can install it by just searching for the two XLM tools and click on install. Like I said, we are not like any other agent payment tools you have out there. We make this seamlessly easy for you to integrate this on your agent with any agent you have out there. Let's try the screenshot tool this time. Screenshot the Stellar org with using the XLM tool, and let's find out how OpenClaw turns out. You can see the agent performing some tool calls, and he actually called the XLM2 screenshot, and this is our output. There you go. We have the transaction hash. You can come to the Explorer and view this. View the amount charged. The transaction was successful. View the amount charged for its screenshots too. Stellar native tools. Aside from screenshots, email generation, and YouTube, we also built the Stellar native tools that gives AI agents the ability for them to perform decentralized operations. Meaning your agents don't just grab the web, your agents can actually interact with Stellar DEX. Using the CLI, you can find installation instructions in here on docs-xlm tools. And of course, we also find this tool on the Explorer. Speaking of skills, to set up skills for any agent you have, you can simply just run this command, and everything is all documented in the documentation. Follow the interactive instructions to set this up via any agent you have. Simply visit our documentation for a detailed guide on how to set this up with OpenClaw, or if you prefer to use the skill. Caching and budget. You make same query twice in 5 minutes, you don't have to pay for it again. Demoing caching. I'm going to try run the same query twice in 5 minutes, and you see that you don't have to pay again. Confirm the transaction on the Explorer. As you can see right here, transaction successful. And let's run this again. And of course, we didn't get charged since this was within 5 minutes. You can simply set your budget so your agents don't overspend. You can simply do that by telling your agents to set the budget to any amount. To demonstrate budget, I'm going to tell it to set my budget to a very low amount, just so you see how it works. The image generation tool costs a lot, which is going to be above our budget, but let's see how this goes. As you can see, we got an error response back that budget limits reached. This tool costs 0.04, but our budget is only about 0.02 cents. Just for you to confirm, coming back to the Explorer, nothing got charged. XLMtools.com outperform regular agents because we built the best version on it on Stellar. Find attached the external link in here, which include the NPM package of the MCP, the CLI NPM package, and more.